three questions lang po. The first one is, how does it feel to be celebrated not just as a star, but as a cultural and cinematic icon?
How does it feel?
How does it feel? It's speechless. I don't know how to explain it. It's a fulfillment. It's an achievement. Working in this business or serving our movie industry for more than 60 years, yung longevity lang nito sa haba ng panahon is already an achievement. Hindi lahat nabibigyan ng ganong pagkakataon. So I think I should be very grateful na up to this day, kaharap ninyo ako still as an artist. Kaya lang ngayon naging public servant pa. So it's really, I'm very grateful. Definitely it's a fulfillment and achievement. Malaking bagay ito sa buhay ko.
The next question po is, looking back, which among your roles do you think best reflects the themes discussed in the book?
Alam mo, sister, ano yung ano natin doon na pinaka magandang pagkakasulat?
Lahat maganda.
Kasi, nag-iisip nga ako kasi, maybe honest, ayos sa'yo, Totsa. Kasi to be honest, lahat ng nireview nila doon, ng mga pelikula ko, halos lahat yun ang paborito ko eh. Kasi yun ang mga pelikula ko na kinoconsider na ginawa ko as